The Christmas market in Frankfurt, Frankfurter Weihnachtsmarkt, is one of Germany's most beloved and festive holiday traditions, drawing visitors from all over the world. Held annually in the heart of Frankfurt's historic Old Town, the market transforms the city into a winter wonderland, offering a rich blend of history, culture, and holiday spirit. The market takes place from late November to Christmas Eve, typically spanning several weeks. Its main location is around Römerberg, the square in front of Frankfurt's medieval town hall, and along the charming streets of Paulskirche and Mainkai. The area is adorned with twinkling lights, garlands, and colorful decorations that bring the Christmas spirit alive, creating a magical ambiance. The backdrop of Frankfurt's ancient buildings, including the iconic Römer Town Hall, makes the setting feel like something out of a Christmas card. Visitors can stroll through the cobbled streets and narrow alleys, with the aroma of mulled wine, Glühwein, roasted chestnuts, and sweet baked goods wafting through the air. The hustle and bustle of the market, along with the cheerful sounds of Christmas carols and live performances, heighten the festive atmosphere. Frankfurt's Christmas market boasts over 200 wooden stalls, offering a wide variety of traditional crafts, festive decorations, and seasonal treats. These stalls sell everything from handcrafted ornaments, candles, and wooden toys to intricate glass baubles and nutcrackers. Local artisans and vendors often showcase their unique crafts, offering a chance to purchase one-of-a-kind holiday gifts. For those looking to indulge in festive food, the market does not disappoint. Visitors can enjoy typical German Christmas fare like Bratwurst, grilled sausages, Lebkuchen, potato pancakes, and Bethmännchen, sweet almond marzipan pastries, along with an assortment of chocolates and sweets. The famous Apfelwein, apple wine, is also served in Frankfurt, often paired with a warm pretzel or a hearty meal. The Römerberg Square is the central hub of the market, where a large, beautifully decorated Christmas tree is set up each year, drawing the attention of both tourists and locals. In addition to the usual market stalls, there are often performances of traditional music and dance, with choirs singing festive carols and musicians playing classical holiday tunes. One standout feature of the Frankfurt Christmas Market is its historical charm. Frankfurt is one of the few cities in Germany that still preserves its medieval town center, and the market reflects that rich history. Nicholas Fountain, which has been around since the 16th century, adds to the old world charm. For families, the market offers attractions for children, such as a charming carousel, a Santa's workshop, and a miniature train ride that delights young visitors. Paul's Church, Paulskirche, often hosts concerts and services throughout the season, providing a cultural and spiritual dimension to the festivities. What makes the Frankfurt Christmas Market particularly special is its combination of historical significance, authentic German holiday spirit, and modern vibrancy. The market reflects the city's blend of tradition and innovation, with some stalls showcasing modern interpretations of classic holiday themes and others staying true to centuries-old customs. Frankfurt is known for its multiculturalism, and the market brings together visitors from around the world, providing a melting pot of traditions, flavors, and experiences. The Frankfurt Christmas Market is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the warmth, joy, and charm of a traditional European holiday market. Whether you're sipping mulled wine by the fire, shopping for gifts, or simply taking in the festive sights, this market offers a memorable and heartwarming experience. The Frankfurt Christmas Market is not just about shopping, it's a cultural experience. The market's history dates back to the 14th century, and it continues to celebrate local traditions with live performances, including carol singers, brass bands, and choirs that fill the air with festive music. The Frankfurt Christmas Market is a perfect blend of tradition and festive cheer, drawing people in with its charm and atmosphere, and offering a warm, welcoming experience in the heart of the city. Römerberg Square is a quintessential part of the city's historical and cultural identity. It is a picturesque square that becomes particularly enchanting during Christmas season, drawing crowds from around the world to experience its unique charm. The square itself is a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern Christmas festivities. While Römerberg is an important historical site in its own right, it's during the Christmas season that it really comes into its own. The market and the surrounding streets turn into a vibrant celebration of local traditions and festive cheer. It's not just a place to shop for gifts, but a place to soak in the seasonal atmosphere, make memories, and experience the festive spirit of Frankfurt at its best. Whether you're wandering through the stalls, enjoying a warm mug of mulled wine, or simply admiring the historic architecture surrounded by Christmas lights, Römerberg at Christmas time is a magical experience you won't forget.